Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on Etrade Mobile App. Open the app and sign into your brokerage account, then tap Trade to start. Search for a ticker symbol or company name, review the quote and news, and choose Buy or Sell. Select order type, quantity and limit or market price, then review fees and confirm the order. Monitor your position and set alerts for price changes. I'll walk through market and limit orders, fractional shares, and basic risk steps so you trade confidently on Etrade Mobile. Use market orders for fast execution or limit orders to control price and avoid surprises. Consider fractional shares if you want smaller positions, and always check commissions and SEC fees before confirming. Use watch lists and price alerts to track stocks, and review confirmations to verify fills and costs. Research and risk management matter more than fast trades when you use Etrade Mobile. Read the company profile, revenue trends, and analyst commentary before buying any position. Use watch lists, charts, and one-day to one-year timeframes to spot momentum and support levels. Set stop orders or alerts to protect gains, and diversify across sectors to reduce single stock risk. Keep clear goals and avoid emotional trades after price swings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.